Welcome to another real-world help desk ticket. A user reports that Outlook has stopped sending or receiving emails. They may see messages stuck in the Outbox, Outlook disconnected, synchronization errors, or no new emails arriving. Before assuming Outlook is broken, professional technicians investigate the entire communication path. Every investigation begins with the right questions. What error message appears? Is the user working in Outlook or Outlook Web? Does the problem affect one mailbox or multiple users? Did it start today, or has it been happening for several days? Is the user working in the office or remotely, and is the internet connection working properly? These answers help determine whether the problem is local or organization-wide. Before troubleshooting Outlook, verify that the computer has internet access. If the user is working remotely, confirm the VPN is connected when required. Test whether Microsoft 365 services are reachable. Open Outlook web app, and verify that other Microsoft applications such as Teams or OneDrive are working correctly. Without network connectivity, email cannot function. Now inspect Outlook itself. Verify that Outlook shows connected. Confirm that working offline is disabled. Check whether emails are stuck in the Outbox. Manually run, send, and receive. Review mailbox storage warnings, and make sure the Outlook profile loads successfully. Small Outlook settings can interrupt normal email communication. Next, verify the user's Microsoft 365 account. Confirm the correct email account is configured. Verify the password is valid. Ensure multi-factor authentication succeeds. Confirm the Microsoft 365 license is assigned. Make sure the account is not locked, and verify the mailbox is active. Authentication is the key to accessing cloud email services. Tier 1 now performs the standard troubleshooting steps. Restart Outlook. Restart the computer, open Outlook in safe mode. Disable unnecessary agents, install available Outlook updates, and if necessary, create a new Outlook profile. Many Outlook problems are resolved before escalation simply by correcting profile or application issues. Now follow the path of the email. Does the message remain in the Outbox? Does it appear in sent items? Can the user receive a test email? Do internal emails work while external emails fail? Are attachments causing the message to be rejected? Following the path of the message helps isolate exactly where communication stops. Tier 1 also verifies Microsoft 365 cloud services. Review Exchange Online service status. Check mailbox quota. Confirm there are no Microsoft service outages. Verify account synchronization, and confirm the user's license remains active. Sometimes the problem exists in the cloud rather than on the user's computer. Before escalating, document everything that has been tested. Record the exact error message when the problem began, which devices were tested, the Outlook version. Network status, Microsoft 365 account status, and every troubleshooting step already completed. Good documentation allows Tier 2 to continue the investigation without repeating the same work. If Tier 1 cannot resolve the issue, the ticket moves to Tier 2. They investigate Exchange message trace, transport rules, Exchange online mail flow, DNS records such as MX and AutoDiscover, Exchange service logs, authentication logs, conditional access policies, and Microsoft Entra ID. At this level, the investigation focuses on the Microsoft 365 infrastructure instead of the user's computer. The root cause may not be Outlook at all. Common causes include a full mailbox, incorrect credentials, Outlook profile corruption, incompatible add-ins, Exchange online service interruptions, DNS configuration problems, expired licenses, multi-factor authentication failures, mail flow rules, or conditional access policies blocking access. The symptoms may appear identical, but the real cause can exist anywhere between the user and Microsoft's cloud. After applying the appropriate fix, verify that the user can successfully send and receive emails. Confirm Outlook synchronizes normally. Verify Outlook web app works correctly, and ask the user to perform their normal email tasks. Finally, document the root cause, record the resolution, confirm the user is satisfied, and close the ticket. Professional help desk technicians do not simply restart Outlook and hope the problem disappears. They investigate connectivity, authentication, Outlook configuration, Microsoft 365 services, Exchange online, mail flow, and cloud infrastructure step by step. Tier 1 resolves the common issues. Tier 2 investigates the enterprise environment, and together they identify the real root cause before closing the ticket. Thank you for visiting IT Step by Step, your space for networking commands, CCNA, cybersecurity certification prep, practical lab tips, and more, every day. See you in the next one.